New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11:15 p.m. At 10:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Quinton, or over Cornwall, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Sinking Spring, Womelsdorf, Wintersville, Robesonia, Leesport, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Monton, Kenhorst, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn and Reefton. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania.
Ooh, another one.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, western Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, west central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 11 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weatherly to near Snyders to near Hamburg, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Lehighton, Mount Pocono, Northampton, Tobiana, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Hamburg, Slatington, Nesquehoning, Weatherly, Walnut Fort, Leonardsville, Ness, Pocono Pines, Coffeetown, Lake Harmony, New Tripoli, Long Pond, and Christiaville. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 57 and 97. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 25 and 53. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 300. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for